Look what we got. Hey guys, this is Joeteck from JoeteckTips. We're on Facebook and Twitter, and today we're going to be talking about and reviewing, unboxing the whole 9 yards, doing a demonstration of the GoPro HERO6 Black. I did a review in the past, a few days ago, about another action camera. Every single manufacturer out there is trying to copy these guys, and they're doing it really bad. So just so you know real quick, this can do 4K at 60 frames per second, 1080p up to 240 frames a second, and it's just unbelievable. The reason why I got, and the audio, it has 3 microphones on it. This is going to be an incredible unboxing and demonstration of what this thing could do. I'm going to be testing it with the new V30 memory card by SanDisk. This is why I bought this with this, and this is 128 gig. It is massive. The battery will be dead before this is ever full, which is the reason why I got this one. All right, so let's do a quick unboxing of this beautiful machine. Wow, look at that magnificent piece of hardware. Holy mackerel. There better be instructions how to get this thing off. And we have some GoPro stickers. Ooh, they spoil me. Charging cable, Type-C cable, by the way, USB 3.1 Gen 2. Mounting, looks like 3M with tape mounting, so you can stick this to a helmet or whatever, a permanent installation location. Battery, and another type. This is actually, this one's for the helmet because it's actually curved. It's got a little curve to it. This one's flat. Wow, so this is, it actually comes in a chassis. This, by design, is already waterproof. It can go 10 meters, 30 feet, without any waterproof chassis, which is so cool. We're going to be doing some major testing with this. Wow, look at the design of this thing. This screams quality, my friends. GoPro, start recording. GoPro, stop recording. GoPro, shoot, burst. GoPro, turn off. You're watching the video and audio from the GoPro HERO6. Big difference, right? I would have to say that this would be the way to go if you want an action camera. This is a lot more expensive, but you get a heck of a lot more bang for your buck. 1080p, the highest it could do is 240. 720p, it could do 60. 4K, which this is right now, is 60 frames a second. And that's impressive. That's really impressive. I did get an accessory kit that I will have a link in the description below that is quite impressive. This is an awesome camera. I even went out and got the GoPro battery charger, USB battery charger. It charges 2 batteries. So it comes with one, and then the GoPro comes with one. So I have 2 batteries, but this is a genuine GoPro. I'll also have this in the link in the description below. OEM is the way to go. I mean, the slow motion is unbelievable. You're going to see it now. But the audio on this is unbelievable. I've seen it between 188 and 192 kilobits per second at 48 kilohertz stereo, which is unbelievable. I mean, that's crystal clear. As you hear this audio, this is what is coming from the camera itself. If you guys like this video, give me a thumbs up, and if you're not a subscriber, please subscribe. Check out some of these slow motions that I did with me and my daughter. Take care, and we'll see you next time.